about this. I think it will release, but there we go. Okay. And since I have this somewhat apart, I'm going to take the opportunity to remove some of the old grease here and put fresh stuff before I slide this long shaft with the threads here. I just noticed also at the end of this worm gear here, there's this threaded, I don't know what to call this little threaded stud. Seems like an adjustment. And if you look at the back of the assembly, I don't know if you can tell, there's a nut, and you can actually, I guess, adjust this thing. I don't really understand its purpose as far as, I guess, how far that shaft travels. Does it affect how far the movement? I mean, is this how you adjust the movement of the motor? Wouldn't make sense, but anyway, thought it was interesting. So far what I've been doing here is just sanding, scraping and sanding, and using some goof off to remove excess paint. Seems to be working. It is very time consuming, as you can imagine. I was thinking about painting this thing, but if I can avoid that by really cleaning this housing and then maybe even polishing the aluminum a little bit, I think that would be a far better and more desirable solution than spray paint. Just very time consuming, as you can imagine. Okay, so I cleaned part of it and it's looking really, really decent. I cleaned the little, whatever you call this part, rotor, I don't know. But anyway, the brushes seem to be fine. There's plenty of meat there, so that's good. I think I'm gonna get some fresh marine grease or something like that, or maybe the red and tacky, and get this whole thing reassembled and just keep cleaning the best I can while the thing is together, so I avoid snapping any wires or anything like that. So, but super happy with the how this is looking so far. This is all clean now. So hopefully it will fit correctly in here. And I'm going to continue polishing this whole assembly, because there are a few areas that have stains, but again, it is one heck of an improvement over what I started with. And a lot of this stuff is, you can't even see it. This is buried under the you know, harness, wiring harness and stuff like that. I just wanted it to look nice. And I think mission accomplished so far. No, it is not perfect, but I think it turned out beautiful, and it's going to look fantastic once it's back in the car. So there you have it. Just some elbow grease. You can turn pretty much anything into a true work of art.